Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video today here where we're going to see, I'm going to show you, this is an excerpt from a presentation that I did. So I'm going to show you in that presentation, you'll see a section here where I built out a funnel I think I did it in less than 5 minutes. So it's going to be kind of a quick one today. Because this one I'm going to show you just how fast you can build a sales funnel. So you won't have to worry about being technical, being any kind of expert with this. I'm just going to do a quick run through here, and this is to do a basic funnel for lead generation, because the first thing we need is a list. You hear them say that the money's in the list, you need to build that list. So I'm going to show you how to do that super fast, in less than 5 minutes, with a simple lead generation funnel. Let's take a look. Look at secret number 2, how to build a sales funnel in less than 5 minutes, even if you have zero technical skill or experience. Now, a lot of people think, entrepreneurs and business owners think, I'm not good with the technical stuff. Let me tell you a quick little story here. At one point, I had so many different tools and things going on to operate what I had for a sales funnel at that time. That I had so many products that I actually didn't use one. I didn't log in. I'd paid for it, and I wasn't even using it. And it was 3 months before I noticed that I was still using the service or getting billed for the service that I hadn't even logged in and used in the last 3 months. So just to show you how fast and how easy the process is now, I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel in 5 minutes. And you're going to see a complete walkthrough on that. I'm going to cut over to my sales funnel building tool, and you're going to see this process right now. So here you can see one of the online tools that I use is called ClickFunnels. Inside ClickFunnels, all I have to do is just click on Add New Funnel, and then it lets me choose the different types of funnels that are available to build. Webinar funnels, sales funnels, but let's just start at the beginning here with a nice basic funnel because we're just starting out. We want to build an email list. This is where a lot of beginners start out. So here we'll say Collect Emails, and I'll click Choose. I'm just going to call this Test Funnel, and then all I have to do is click Build Funnel. Now, once this is built, it's going to take me here and show me this test funnel that I've laid out. So the first page that I need is my opt-in page. So that's where people opt in when they land on my page, and then they give me their email address in order to get some free information, to watch a video, download some kind of PDF, right? Makes sense? So on this page here, we've got our opt-in page, and then after they opt in is what's called the thank you page. So they opted in, so they land on the next page, and that's where we say, thanks for opting in, your information's on the way, or we can do a lot of other things as well. So we'll just pick one of these templates here. We're going to do this in less than 5 minutes. So I'm just going to say select template. Now this is actually going to build this page out super fast. So my page is built, and then I can just go in and edit the finer points. I'm just going to go into my thank you page. And then all I have to do is just pick here and select thank you. So it's already set for this. And then I'm just going to select this one on the clock here, so I'm not going to get too fancy or too choosy. Now let's just go in and have a look really quick at these pages. What I have to do is click the Edit Page button and open that up in a new tab and go into it. It loads up my editor, and there we go. I'm in, and all I have to do is just change this. My free millions. Now I'm just doing this as a quick example to see. All I have to do here, I probably come up with a little bit better headline, but I just wanted to show you how fast and easy it is to go in and edit things. I just literally click in there, start typing. I can add different rows and elements, change this up however I need it, but as far as the sales funnel, it doesn't need to be all fancy with a lot of different options, links, things to click on. So once I've got this created, customized however I like it, all I have to do is click the Save button. And then I can hit the preview button and take a look at it in action, see what it's going to look like when someone clicks on my page. So I'm just going to zoom out a bit so you can see it, but it really is that easy. When I go back to the other one here, I can go to my thank you page. Again, I just click on edit. So in here I can change this up. Again, all I have to do is just click thanks. I can say your free report is on the way. There we go. This part here, I don't like this part. I just remove it, click on the little trash can icon, and then it's out of there. I can go in here, click on add a new element. Sorry, we'll click on media, and maybe we have some type of video that's saying, hey, thanks for downloading my free report. Here's what to do next. And then our button, we could have this linked to somewhere else, or we could have it linked so that they can download our report. Again, all we have to do is hit save. So here we can preview our page, make any adjustments that we need, and that's how easy it is to work and build sales funnels with a technical tool like that. So there you have it. That's how easy and fast it is to build a sales funnel. Was that awesome? Isn't that cool how easy and simple it is to work with a tool like that that just lays the funnel out, builds all the pieces for you, and then you just have to go in and make some adjustments to it. And if you'd like even more, if you're a business owner or entrepreneur who wants to understand how funnels help your business bring in new leads and new customers, or you want to understand and learn how all the pieces of a sales funnel fit together once and for all, then I've got something really awesome for you. You can get access to my complete funnel school training course for free just by going to seanbailey.com/funnel school special. I'll have a link pop up on the screen, or you can click just down below in the description and that will take you over and you can get 100% free access to this course. So here you can see this is actually a sneak peek inside of it here, just so I can give you a little look and let you know what you're going to get access to here. So we've got a brief intro. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's inside, what to expect from it here, and then we're going to go right into it here. So we're going to talk about the difference between sales funnels and websites, how to set up your funnel building tools, and then we're going to cover lead magnets, how to get people into your funnels. We're going to cover email marketing, what to do, what kind of message to send to them, how to do all that once they're inside your funnel. And after that, we've got our 3 funnel phases. We're going to be covering lead generation funnels, sales funnels, webinar funnels, and I'm also going to give you access to 2 special bonuses. One is my easy sales copy tool, and I'm even going to give you a demonstration so you can see how much copy you actually need just for your landing page, for your sales page, for your upsell. I'll show you how to I generate this stuff super fast with my easy sales copy tool, and like I said, I'll even give you a demonstration of it in action so you can see. And the last thing you're going to get is my funnel recon kit. This is a special video that I made for you. This is a bonus where you can see inside other people's funnels. This is basically how you scope out your competition and learn everything about their sales funnels in your niche or marketplace. Again, it's 100% free. All you got to do is click on the link on the screen or down in the description below, or go to seanbailey.com/funnel school special. And I will see you inside.